Ever found yourself scrolling through endless online shops, eyeing up that perfect gadget or must-have fashion item, and then suddenly hit with that familiar wave of anxiety? The one where you wonder, am I really getting the best deal? Is this site secure? How do I stick to my budget and not overspend? If that sounds like you, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into the world of online shopping, and more specifically, how your Monzo account can be your ultimate secret weapon for smarter, safer, and more savvy spending. We all love the convenience of online shopping. From the comfort of our sofa, we can browse thousands of products, compare prices, and have almost anything delivered right to our door. But with that convenience comes a whole host of considerations. How do you protect yourself from fraudulent websites? How do you ensure you're not getting hit with hidden fees, especially when shopping internationally? And perhaps most importantly, how do you prevent impulse purchases from completely derailing your financial goals? That's where Monzo steps in. It's not just another bank account, it's a financial tool designed with modern life in mind, and that includes the complexities of online shopping. So, let's break down exactly how you can leverage Monzo's powerful features to become an online shopping pro. 1. Virtual cards, your shield against online threats. Imagine having a disposable credit card for every online purchase. Sounds good, right? Well, with Monzo's virtual cards, you get pretty close. This is, without a doubt, one of Monzo's most powerful features for online security. Think about it. When you use your physical debit card online, you're exposing your primary card details to potentially dozens of different websites. If one of those sites experiences a data breach, your main account could be compromised. This is where virtual cards shine. Monzo offers different types of virtual cards. Standard virtual cards, you can create these for regular online vendors you trust. They have a unique card number and CVC, separate from your physical card. You can even link them to specific pots, more on pots in a moment, for dedicated spending. If you ever suspect a website has been compromised, or you simply don't trust a particular merchant after a transaction, you can delete that specific virtual card and create a new one, without affecting your main account or other virtual cards. You can have up to 5 live virtual cards at any time and create up to 9 every 30 days, with a maximum of 100 per year. Single-use virtual cards, this is your go-to for those one-off purchases from a new website you're not entirely sure about. The card automatically cancels as soon as the first purchase fully processes. This provides an incredible layer of protection, as even if the merchant's system is compromised, that card number is useless to fraudsters after your transaction. Free trial virtual cards. Ever signed up for a free trial only to forget to cancel and get hit with a hefty subscription fee? Monzo's free trial cards are designed precisely for this. They stay active for a short period, typically 24 hours, to allow the merchant to process an initial check or a discounted first payment, and then they auto-cancel. This ensures you won't be charged for a full subscription if you forget to cancel before the trial ends. Using virtual cards is simple. Just generate one in the Monzo app, copy the details, and use them at the online checkout. It's an effortless way to keep your actual card details private and minimize your risk. 2. Instant notifications, your real-time fraud detector. One of the most reassuring features of Monzo for online shopping is its instant notifications. The moment a transaction occurs on your card, you get a notification on your phone. This might seem like a small detail, but it's a game changer for fraud detection. Imagine you've just made an online purchase. Within seconds, you see the notification for the correct amount and merchant. Great. But what if you get a notification for a purchase you didn't make? Or one for a different amount than expected? Those instant alerts are your first line of defense. You can immediately review the transaction in your app, and if it's suspicious, you can freeze your card directly from the app with just a tap. This can stop fraudulent activity in its tracks, preventing further unauthorized spending. No more waiting for your monthly statement to discover a problem. 3. Monzo Pots. Master your online shopping budget. Online shopping can be a slippery slope for budgeting. One minute you browse, the next you filled your cart with things you didn't even know you needed. Monzo pots are fantastic for helping you stay disciplined. Pots allow you to virtually separate your money within your Monzo account. Here's how you can use them for online shopping. Dedicated shopping pots. Create a shopping pot, or even more specific ones like new clothes fund or gadget savings. Move a set amount of money into these pots each month or week. When you shop online, make sure your virtual card is linked to that specific pot, or manually transfer money from your main account into the pot before you make your purchase. This ensures you only spend what you've allocated for that particular category. Savings goals. If you're saving for a big online purchase, like a new laptop or a holiday, create a dedicated savings pot. You can even set a target amount and date, and Monzo will help you calculate how much you need to put aside regularly. Many pots also offer interest, so your savings can grow while you plan your purchase. Roundups. Turn on Monzo's roundups feature, and every time you spend, your purchase will be rounded up to the nearest pound, with the spare change automatically transferred to a designated pot. This is a brilliant, effortless way to build up a small fund for impulse buys or simply contribute to a larger shopping goal without feeling the pinch. By visually separating your shopping money, Monzo pots make it much harder to overspend and easier to track exactly where your money is going. 4. Spending categories and analytics. Understand your habits. Monzo automatically categorizes your spending. When you buy something online, Monzo will typically assign it to a category like shopping, entertainment, or home. This data is invaluable for understanding your spending habits. Review your spending. Regularly check your summary and trends sections in the Monzo app. Here, you'll see a breakdown of your online spending by category. Are you spending more on fast fashion than you realized? Are those online subscriptions adding up? This visual overview empowers you to make informed decisions about your online shopping. Custom categories. Monzo Plus/Premium. If you're on a paid Monzo plan, you can create custom categories. This is particularly useful for online shopping. For example, you might create a gaming purchases category or skincare subscriptions to get even more granular insights into your spending. You can also split single payments across multiple categories, so if you buy groceries and a book from the same online supermarket, you can allocate portions to groceries and books. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.